The skincare fridge, also known as the makeup fridge, beauty fridge, is a must-have beauty tool right now. First and foremost, keeping your products fresh and active for a long period of time, it's critical. And this is when the skincare fridge comes in handy. In this video, I'm going to give you top 5 skincare fridge. Not only that, but you'll be able to find all the links down below. So let's get started.